Hello guys, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Sirmeo's garden. Sirmeovlogs is here. Please do like, share, and subscribe. The Aglaonema Dona Carmen has long oval greenish white base leaves with splashes of pink and red hues in the middle. Their big leaves are connected to a long beige stem just like this. This indoor plant can actually produce flowers in the long run too. Large elliptic leaves narrow to a soft thin tip. Green leaves are heavily spotted with cream-colored blotches just like this. The mid-vein is prominently marked by a thick pink stripe, while the veins branching off the mid-vein are lightly marked with pink diffuse streaks, combination of red, pink, green, and yellow. Aglaonema Dona Carmen hybrid is a wonderful tropical houseplant grown as luck-bringing ornamental plants, whose green leaves are speckled with cream blotches and its veins tinged pink. The Aglaonema is a mainstay of favorite houseplant lists everywhere. Keeping it a few feet from a well-lit window where it can receive bright diffuse light is ideal. However, some Aglaonema cultivars can tolerate lower light levels and even fluorescent lighting conditions at home. This plant is low maintenance and ideal as a houseplant or office plant. Provide bright, diffuse light to promote a bushy, compact form, as it eventually becomes leggy under low light conditions. In lieu of flowers, the Chinese evergreens provide color to our garden. Their leaves look like blooming flowers from afar. That's why I decided to have this at home. And when you arrange them well, your garden will look like you have blooms all year round. What an amazing plant in year 2022. Aglaonema never gives you a boring view. Aside from the fact that different varieties produce different kinds of leaves, Chinese evergreens also come up with different patterns, just like what you are seeing in the leaves. Each leaf is never the same, and the colors, patterns are just so lovely to look at. Chinese evergreens are very easy to grow. They are not sensitive to the kind of soil used. Aglaonema propagates very fast. You can remove the little plants and transfer them in pots. Or what you can do is to just put one plant in a big pot and wait for it to grow into several plants. That way, you will get a really big bunch of Aglaonema plants in the future. What I realized is that the Chinese evergreen is very nice as an indoor plant because it is low maintenance. I have read that NASA has established in their studies that indoor plants help purify the air from chemicals that come from synthetic materials in the home, and Aglaonema is one of them. They might have less horsepower than electric air purifiers, but they are pretty affordable and of course, very therapeutic at home. It was said that the Chinese evergreen can eliminate benzene, carbon monoxide, formaldehyde, and trichloroethylene among other gases that are polluting the air indoors. These usually come from synthetic materials like carpets, fabric conditioner, perfume, and other cleaning agents at home. They are so refreshing, especially for the eyes. When I take off my eyeglasses after staring at my computer screen for very long, I find them very pleasing to the sight. Plus, they are very strong against heat, humidity, sudden drops in temperature, and lack of sunlight at home.